Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. We're taking a quick look at XRP here on the daily time frame. As always, please do like and subscribe. Get involved in the content, really appreciate all your support as always. As we can see here then on the XRP chart, we have finally started to get that retracement over the past week or so that I've been looking for a good while. I did say that this was probably fairly likely to happen, to be honest, especially after such a parabolic move. Quite often what you get is a huge pump followed by, coming down and filling in that massive space that you tend to come up and make. Obviously, when we look at it from this perspective here, this is a massive pump around over 100% in one day. Came up, perfectly touched the 0.618 there on the Fibonacci, come down, coil up, test the high, test the low, and then you can see here we're coming down now, retracing and coming down to retest this area back here, which is nice to see, to be honest. You can see pretty clearly here. Essentially, we've just got, our big consolidation area. Really, it's just looking something like that, isn't it? Where anywhere from around that 30-cent area up to around 55-60 cents for me. Big consolidation accumulation. Obviously starting to break out, back test some of these areas. Finally get that big breakout of that bear market resistance, along with that nice little bit of bullish news for the SEC case with Ripple, which was nice to see. Huge pump and now coming down. Basically just a breakout retest. Very simple. So far, obviously, you can see we've come down here and we've touched the 0.38 Fibonacci here down at around 60 cents. This is an area that has been previously quite confluent with a lot of levels, as you can see here. Really, this is looking quite positive overall, I would say. The nice breakout of that bear market resistance for XRP coming up and touching that 95-96 cent level at the 0.618. Big reversal back down to retest and back test the breakout. I'd probably expect coming in down into this area between 60 and 55 cents, which is this previous level of resistance. Probably a lot of accumulation and buying in this area, in my opinion, followed by probably continuation to the upside over the next, 3, 4, 5, 6 months going into the next year for the bull market, which will probably happen with the next Bitcoin halving. Overall, I would say very simply, to simplify this in the best way possible, it's just a breakout retest, accumulation and then continuation for me, in my opinion. But obviously right now everyone's freaking out because XRP is retracing right now, but you can see quite clearly here, massive pump, accumulation, consolidation and coiling up, test the high, test the low, and then you can see the retrace now coming down, currently sitting at around 61-62 cents. And a lot of people saying XRP is dead, it's a scam, all this usual stuff that people say when they're unhappy with the crypto and how it's going. But I do think in the long term this thing is setting up to be very tasty indeed, and I'm feeling quite happy, to be honest, the fact that it has come down and retraced, because it means that it's actually going to backtest some of these key levels here. And I do think continuation up over $1 in the next 6 months to a year is pretty damn likely, in my opinion. So just playing it patient. I've got no trades right now. I'm considering, depending on the reaction that we get, anywhere from this 55 to 60 cent level, looking to take a long position like this. Stop loss back inside the range down here. It will look something like this most likely, with a target back up towards one of these key Fibonacci levels. We'll see what happens next overall, but I think in general XRP looking very good on the macro. Higher highs and higher lows here, and I'd probably expect heading up towards the all-time high over the next few years is pretty damn likely, in my opinion. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Check back every single day for more videos, like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video.